This is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial. This is the first tutorial, and in this tutorial I will tell you how to you can just simply animate any object. We'll start with very basic animation so that you can do it easily and you can practice it. So first we have to click on new composition, then we can see the composition setting. So I will just write here first animation. You can name it anything. For example, I have just given it the name first animation. The preset is selected HD. We have this frame rate, which is standard frame rate. You need to keep it 24. And this is the 30-second. And the background color is white. So we'll click on OK on that. So now you see a lot of options. You don't need to see all of them, and you don't need to be overwhelmed seeing all these options. You just one simple animation at this point because you are a beginner. So ignore all these features, all these options that are available. What just you need to understand is just this canvas where we will do the animation. And now I will do one thing. I will take one shape. I made a rectangle. Okay, so now we will start the animation. You can see the timeline head. You can see in the left bottom corner there is a shape layer. This shape layer belongs to this rectangle. So what you need to do is you need to select the rectangle, and you need for example, you need to change the position of it. So you will simply click P. When you click P, you can see one option like position. So that means if you want to change the position, and here you see that here is a timer. So if you want to animate it, you will click on that. Right now you can see this node. This is the keyframe. So your position has been locked in time at this position. This is the current position and it is the timeline. So this position is here locked with this keyframe, and we have done it by clicking here. So if we click it again, so it will be removed. And if we click it, then you can see that it has been added. The position has been added. So if we move it and we want to uh, place this at a different place, so what we will do, we will simply drag it like this. So you can see the next keyframe has been added as you move it. And if you play it, you will see that. Let me show you. If you play, you can see that this is moving. So that's how you create the animation. This is your first animation, and in the next part we will show you how you can improve this animation. So this will be your first exercise. After watching this video, what you need to do is you need to make similar animation, and I will come with a new animation tutorial next time. I will tell you how you can improve this animation.